What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and let's talk hard drive enclosures. It's going to be a 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure for your SATA or SSD hard drive. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how it fits. So in the box, this is going to be the hard drive enclosure. Go ahead and rip that off. It's transparent. And then also you get your cables to connect it. This is going to be USB 3 on one end and USB-C on the other end. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we get the hard drive inside there. Once you open it, you see your chipset for your USB connection. You have a nice felt pad, so this way you can get some grip on your hard drive when you put it in the enclosure. So you would take the adhesive part, peel that back, place it about here, take your hard drive, insert in here, then take your cover, and your hard drive is nice and secure. You can see it through the translucent case. Also, you can see the chipset. Here is going to be where you connect your USB cable. So let's go ahead and get this connected to the laptop. Now, as you can see, it really is that simple. This is a cool looking translucent 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure for your SATA or SSD hard drive, and it fits up to 4 terabytes of space. So if you're looking for something to protect your hard drive, go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully the information I gave you was helpful. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one.